Hello, welcome to the TV room. I have created a bit of a mess here. So I'm going to turn this drive off. I want to put things back where they belong. Well, maybe I do. I want to get this out of here. This is the board from 1541 that is working. It has its original chips back in it. I'm going to pop it down in here. There, the drive is down in there. Now, I've got other drives to check over. So I'm not sure what I want to do about this. One thing I think I will do, I think I have, oh yes, I have a data card here. And I will write things. 1541. Ugh, that hurts my hand. Long board. Drive will not bin. All major chips are good. Ugh. Tested in other board. Online info suggests UC1 or C15. Surgery. Maybe. Okay. So there's the tape. And I think probably the best thing to do is to stick the tape on here where it's kind of flat and use lots of tape and do what we can here. Now, as I said, I have other 1541s in the car to look at, so I may not be too quick to put other things back together because you just never know, you know. Anyway, so there. But I can go down in here. But I have 5 good chips. 5 good. Good, lovely chips. What do we got here? Bags. Lots of bags. Aha, here. This is good. This is good. Before I put the chips in the bag, 1982, 83, 1541, original 6522 times 2, 6502, 901225 dash 05. What is this little sucker? 3, 2. 325302 305302 dash 01. And when is this one made? Yeah, 1982. So everything is 82 except for the one chip. And that is good. So I'm going to put the chips in here, and you know what? It may end up. I haven't done or tried to do any stuff that would end up trying to ship across the border into the United States as of yet, because I don't know what's up with that. But I know that there will be people out there with a SICK 1541 that will need these. So I'm going to do a little bag, 1541 screws, because I'm not putting these back together at this time. I am not, because, as I say, I have other drives to tinker on. I got some of these tiny little bags, and I must say, I think they're a little too small. But that's okay. Anyway, I will put these screws into here, including the case screws, and I'll put them in the bag with the chips. I know they're all together. Everything is safe. Everything is dandy. There. Zip, zip, zip. Nothing worse than having things and not being able to find them. Actually, I found a whole box with strange miscellaneous chips. Ta-da! I gotta work on that. Okay. So in tidying up, or trying to, this comes out. Never did run the performance test on this drive. But that's okay. So the disc comes out. This is the top. Oh yeah, I should do. Wait, is that turned? No, it's turned off. Okay, unplug it. Oh, unplug it. Unplug it. And then put the top on very carefully as to not get any of the wires caught. The wires are pretty small. I don't want to capture them. Oh, look, there's another. What's going on here? Okay. And of course, there's one more screw. All right. So there, it looks lovely, but there's no circuit board in there at this time. Set this down here, but it wants to fall, so we'll set it down on its side out of the way. Oh, I need to do a data card. Okay. 1541 drive. Power supply. Okay. Drive. Mac. Okay. Circuit. Board. Needs an operation. All chips were good. Major. Okay. Okay, pick this up again. Oh. There's already a data card on here. Oh well, there's another one. That's fine. Whatever. You know what? I'll put this on. So that I put lots of tape on and I can fold it up. See what else it says. Okay, should have looked underneath. Okay. Oh. So I'm going to leave this other drive somewhat disassembled because I have more things to test. And I don't want to unscrew things over and over and over when I don't have to. Indeedy. But remember, the list is, ooh, looky, it changed colors. The list of the programs is still in there. All right, well, that's enough for now. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. And yeah, I'll get to these two other drives, see what there is to do, and move on from there. One thing at a time. Remember, when you're swapping, just swap one thing at a time. All right, that's it. That's all for now. Have a lovely, 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 lovely day. David Bradley, signing off. I'm your host.